Today we're looking at the 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Okay, this is a sport edition. Okay, it's a 4x4 with the sport tune suspension that you're going to appreciate. What we've done with this vehicle today, actually, when you're looking around it, is the Infernal Graphite. Okay, we put a 3-inch leveling kit. We put some extreme country aggressive tires for that climbing, biking. So, what this vehicle a 3.5 liter engine. This engine actually was produced for the Baja races. It gives you 278 horsepower. As we actually sit on the inside, not only for those experienced outdoor activities that you might enjoy, but it's a day-to-day driver, okay? They put a nice, clean flex screen over there that actually give you your navigation, the M2 app suites that actually you could use as you're driving with voice command, so you don't have to type it in. Blind spot monitoring system for the safety sense, lane departure, direct cruise control. It gives you a 6-speed transmission that actually you could actually drive it as normally automatically, or you could switch it as manual if you want to be aggressive with the vehicle. It does give you a backup camera, but one thing that I do like, if you do go to those adventuring stuff, it does gives you a hookup for your GoPro camera.
Come see us today at Steve Landers Toyota NWA.